Hi everybody, Jahangir is here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make ampalaya with egg. It's an easy and quick dish. So let's get started. So here we have 5 pieces of clove, garlic clove, and 2 small tomato I have, 1 medium-sized onion. We got 3 eggs. I have 1 teaspoon black pepper, and we're gonna use some salt. And I have 2.5 cup of water, and the main ingredients we have here are ampalaya, or you can call this bitter melon. So here I have 2 medium-sized ampalaya. First I just have them split to half, and then the second one as well. I just remove the edges of the ampalaya. Actually, I have here kind of big spoon, but I highly recommend you to use smaller one, like teaspoon, so it's easier to remove the seeds. Here I cut about ½ inch thick. I highly recommend you to cut that size, because if you cut too thick, your ampalaya will be too chewy, too raw. Over here we're just gonna have 1 tablespoon of salt rubbed in chopped ampalaya. We just need to do this in order to reduce the bitterness of the ampalaya. And then we pour about 2 cups of water and let it rest about 15 to 20 minutes at least, until it releases its bitterness. Here we have our medium-sized onion. We need to slice it thinly, and then next we're just gonna have our garlic. We need to chop that as well, and later on we're gonna have the 2 small tomatoes. We need to chop as well. We just pour 2 tablespoons of canola oil over here, and then we're just gonna have our chopped onions first to saute, and then we're gonna add garlic. After garlic, I add chopped tomatoes to sauteed garlic and onion, and we let smear about 2 to 3 minutes before we include chopped ampalayas. After the putting tomato on the hot pan, we go back our chopped ampalaya and drain the excess water. After removing excess water from ampalaya, we add on the hot pan with the rest of the ingredients. Adding chopped ampalaya, I sprinkle some black pepper and a little bit salt. After adding ampalaya, I also include one fourth cups of water. Spare the half of the pan, so we can have a little bit room to cook the eggs. Let the egg cook halfway, and later on mix with the rest of the ingredients. Hi guys, welcome back. You see, it was really easy and quick to prepare ampalaya. Now I prefer to have my ampalaya with a little bit sea salt and the black pepper. That was an easy dish and quick. You can have, I mean, I sometimes have this in the morning, even for lunchtime, or even during dinner. So, ampalaya is juicy, a little bit crunchy. That's what I like. The egg is still well cooked. It's very good. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next video. Masarap Talaga ito.